I've always been fascinated by the weird and wonderful creatures of the ocean, but octopuses? They're on a whole other level. These eight-armed wonders are like the aliens of our own planet, with abilities that seem straight out of science fiction. The cool part is, they're real, and they're even more amazing than you might think. So, let's dive into the mind-blowing world of octopuses and discover why these cephalopods are some of the most incredible animals on Earth. Now, you might be wondering, how smart can a squishy sea creature really be? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent, like solve puzzles and use tools kind of smart. They can figure out how to open jars, navigate mazes, and even recognize individual human faces. Their intelligence isn't even the coolest thing about them. Let's talk about their camouflage abilities. Octopuses are like the world's greatest quick-change artists. They can alter their skin color and texture in an instant, thanks to special cells called chromatophores. It's not just for hiding either. They use these color-changing abilities to communicate, hunt, and even, flirt? Yeah, octopus dating is wild, but we'll get to that later. Okay, so octopuses are smart and they can change colors. But wait, there's more. Their biology is absolutely bonkers. First off, they have not one, not two, but 3 hearts. 2 pump blood through each of the gills, while the third pumps it through the rest of the body. And speaking of blood, theirs is blue. And it gets even weirder. Octopuses don't have a skeleton. They're basically all muscle, which allows them to squeeze through incredibly tiny spaces. As long as their beak can fit through a hole, the rest of the body can follow. And if they lose an arm, no big deal. They can just grow a new one. It's like, they have superpowers or something, which is just, wow! Now, let's talk about how octopuses survive in the big bad ocean. When it comes to hunting, these guys are like underwater ninjas. Some species use ambush tactics, changing their color to blend in with their surroundings before pouncing on unsuspecting prey. Others are masters of mimicry, impersonating other sea creatures to get close to their next meal. And once they've caught something, their beak and venomous saliva make short work of it. But what about when they're the ones being hunted? Well, octopuses have a few tricks up their, arms. Their first line of defense is usually to change colors and hide. If that doesn't work, they can shoot out a cloud of ink to confuse predators and make a quick getaway. And if all else fails, some species can detach an arm as a distraction. Remember, they can grow it back later. As for reproduction, it's a bit of a sad story. Male octopuses die soon after mating, and females die shortly after their eggs hatch. But they put everything into caring for those eggs, sometimes going months without eating to guard them. Talk about dedicated parenting. So there you have it. Octopuses are basically the superheroes of the sea. They're intelligent, adaptable, and full of surprises. From the shallow coral reefs to the depths of the ocean, these amazing creatures play a crucial role in marine ecosystems. The more we learn about octopuses, the more we realize how much we still don't know about the wonders of our oceans. So next time you're at the beach or an aquarium, take a moment to appreciate these 8-armed marvels. Who knows? Maybe they're appreciating you right back.